Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Zenedit plugin from a light version to a pro version. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to go into your license manager and download the very latest version of the Zenedit plugin. The license manager, is automatically received on the email address that was used during the ordering procedure. However, if you have accidentally deleted this email, then please don't worry. You have to go to our site, that is RedmineUP.com, and you have to scroll down to the license manager and request the link again here. You have to enter your email address and then click on Get Access. Please don't forget to enable the Agree on the conditions, otherwise you will not receive the license manager link. If you have some difficulties with receiving this, then please contact our support team at support@redmineup.com. Also, you could create a support ticket here, it is easier for you. And our support agents are going to send you your license manager. Okay, in our case, we have already downloaded our pro version, which in our case is for Redmine Zenedit 203 Pro. Alright, so the very first thing now that you have to do is to go into your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and then enter the plugins folder, and then find the Zenedit. This is the light version that is currently installed on your Redmine. You have to delete it. Okay, it is now deleted. So we go back now into our downloads folder and extract the pro version. Then we have to go into the inner folder here and then copy this one, Redmine Zenedit. Okay, so we go back into our plugins folder of Redmine and paste it there. And this is it. So please now open your command line, and I'm going to zoom it a little bit for you so you could see it better. Okay. And then navigate to the core Redmine folder, which as we said is Redmine 5 in our case. And then here the first command that you have to execute is bundle install. The bundle install is going to install all the required gems for your plugin. Okay, so the next step that you have to do is to do the migration. The migration is this command. The important thing here is that you have to set the correct name of the plugin. In our situation, it is the Redmine Zenedit. Please take a note that these are warnings for developers. They are not going to harm the work of the plugin. It is going to work correctly. So please ignore these messages. Alright, so we are done. And the very last step that we have to do, it is an important step by the way, is to restart our Redmine. It is restarted with touch temporary restart .txt. Okay, so let's go back in our Redmine and just refresh the page. Please wait a couple of seconds because restarting Redmine is taking some time. Alright, we see that the Zenedit plugin is now a pro version. So we have successfully upgraded from a light to a pro version of Zenedit. I hope this video was very helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check our other video demonstrations. So thank you very much for watching this, and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.